Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Toyota Sequoia. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin. Connect one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Sequoia's dead battery. Then, attach the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part on your Toyota Sequoia's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground and helps prevent sparks. Always double-check that all 4 clamps are securely attached. Now, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Sequoia's dead battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Toyota Sequoia. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a couple of minutes and try again. Once it starts, let your Sequoia run for at least 15 minutes to build up some charge. To disconnect, reverse the order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Sequoia's engine block, then the black negative clamp from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the good battery, and finally, the red positive clamp from your Sequoia's battery. Remember to check the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals. Drive your Sequoia for at least 30 minutes to ensure the battery recharges completely. If it struggles to start again, your battery might need replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.